CBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Jacob Dickey.
Looking a little cloudy out there on our sky cam in Tupelo right now in downtown. Temperatures down in the low 80s with southeast winds picking up as a result. That's the case for many of us out there. Those southeast winds are what's bringing in that nicer air. It comes from the Appalachians, the eastern side of that, sweeps down through Alabama, Georgia, and then into our region. And we get some nice weather because of that. Look at these temperatures here with that southeast wind 10 to 20 mile an hour. Looking at some low 80s out there across the Highway 45 corridor towards the I-55 corridor. A little bit of sunshine is helping to get temperatures more close to the mid to upper 80s. Here's the visible satellite showing those clouds building on in. They're a bit low. Futurecast has been saying they'll mix out. Overall, we're dry for now too, but I expect that to change moving forward. We'll be sure to keep our eyes on that. Now, as Futurecast clears out these clouds here, there does bring some pop-up showers and storms then into the afternoon and evening hours. I think we'll see most of those along the I-55 corridor. The US 45 corridor in West Alabama should remain dry. Will not rule out a shower there, however. As we look at those temperatures today, then we will be seeing around the 90s or so. We keep the rain off to our west, and tonight then cooling off. Should get up to 92 in Tupelo, 90 in Aberdeen and in Amory. The only thing that would stop that if these low clouds don't mix out, we'll be staying in the low to mid 80s through the day then. Still, it got us up to 90 in Columbus and in Starkville, 91 in West Point, 89 in Louisville. West Alabama, if we get rain, I think we'd be really lucky. Seems like most of it will stay off to our west, 89 in Vernon and 90 in Solent. As we look ahead here for the next couple of days, overall, temperatures are a good 10 degrees below where we've been, but we're still above average. Should be in the middle 80s this time of year. Does not look like we'll get below average temperatures, maybe a little more fall feel anytime soon. Quick check in the tropics right now. We've got 3 storms that are out there. Hurricane Umberto looking a little bit like it's losing tropical characteristics. Still a Category 2 with 110 mile-an-hour winds heading out to sea. Hurricane Jerry now has strengthened. It is a Category 1 moving to the west-northwest. Good news, it looks like it stays north of Puerto Rico, north of the Bahamas, and curves out to sea prior to the United States. And Tropical Depression Imelda. We've been talking about this all morning long. Some serious conditions happening there. Look at the last 24 hours, what's happened. Rain has set up over the same area, and now the heaviest bands have pushed into Houston. We've actually broken our system. Look at this. You see where those black colors are? In the middle of it, there's actually not enough pixels on the scale to tell how much rain has fallen. They've seen 30 to 40 inches of rain in spots. We don't get a drop of that around here. It looks like maybe some showers next week give us a chance for a little bit of measurable rainfall. But overall, things looking high and dry out there as we look forward. Temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s all the way into next week. Just a few isolated showers Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Thanks, Jacob. We're joined now by Colin Krieger. He's here to talk Taste of Columbus. Good afternoon, Colin.
Thanks for having us over here.
You bet. What's great about this Taste of Columbus coming up this weekend is it also coincides sort of with the reopening of Zachary's.
Yeah, we had planned the event with Barbara Bigelow over at Main Street, and we'd actually sat down the week before Zachary's had a fire.
That's crazy.
We made a plan. We said we're going